cannot do the I listen to really inspirational quotes from strong, amazing women, just to kind of put me in the zone to work out and sweat and be like, yes, queen, get on with your day. You're going to be amazing. Like just get into that mindset. And I don't want to judge, but I'm low-key also judging. Hi guys, this is Boss Lady Shruti and hello to 2021. Woohoo! We are already in March. What the where is the time flying these days? Like God only knows. But I also know that New Year means everyone's kind of getting into New Year, new me, workout, yes, sweat, nice. So that is kind of in the zone that I've been as well. Like I have really prioritized my physical health, my mental health, and it's honestly been a journey of its own. And I also know that I keep getting a lot of requests to do a workout routine here on YouTube. So if you guys are still interested, let me know in the comments below. I'll definitely shoot one ASAP for you guys, because like I said, this year I really want to prioritize mental, physical health overall. And I basically today I wanted to talk to you guys about the skin prep that I do before I go to the gym. So the thing with me is that I hate wearing any kind of makeup to the gym. Like honestly, I just cannot stand me wearing makeup. Or I don't want to judge, but I'm low-key also judging people who wear makeup to the gym, because I'm just like, when I need to like wipe my sweaty face, I just need to take the towel and go. I cannot do the it just doesn't do anything for me. So I basically like to prep my skin really well with skincare before I go to the gym. So what I typically do is I kind of wake up in the morning, then I'll just quickly get changed into my workout gear, and the first thing I do is obviously wash my face with a cleanser. I mainly use like a gentle foaming cleanser, and I then go in with a clarifying toner. So after toning, I like to go in with a serum, and the one that I'm using here is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum. So if you guys have been following me for some time, you guys know how much I love my hyaluronic acid. Like ever since I was in Dubai, actually that is when I discovered what hyaluronic acid is. And even if you've seen me like in my Instagram videos and everything that I used to shoot back there, I used to literally use hyaluronic acid. I think I have finished at least 3 big those tubs of hyaluronic acid that I used to get back there. I finished it off, and it's such a staple in my skincare routine. And I was honestly, I feel like all my skincare prayers have been answered by L'Oreal these days. Also, 1.5% is the right concentration of hyaluronic acid that is best for your skin. And I love the fact that it doesn't have any alcohol or parabens or anything of that sort. So basically all good stuff going into your skin. So the reason why I like using it before I work out, or before as my skin prep before my workout, is because you sweat a lot. At least for me, I sweat like a crazy person when I'm in the gym, and I keep wiping my face off, so my skin literally feels so dry. And especially if you're working out in the AC, girl, your skin is parched, like dehydrated by the time you're done. And I always wondered, like, what is it that I can do to kind of combat this? So ever since I started using this, I automatically find that my skin is not dehydrated by the time I'm finished with my workout, even though I've sweat so much and I literally look like I am coming out of my grave after I'm done with my workout, honestly. So ever since I've started using this, I have seen such a genuine difference. So after this, obviously I go in with a very light moisturizer. I don't go in with anything too greasy or too thick, because that's not the aim for what we are prepping for right now. I want something very lightweight which will absorb into my skin ASAP. And that's the best part about the hyaluronic acid as well. Like, it gets absorbed into my skin very, very quickly. So the basic logic behind me adding a hyaluronic acid serum as my skincare prep before my workout is that the hyaluronic acid molecule can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in moisture. When I add like a light moisturizer on top of it, it literally holds the moisture in, and even though I'm sweating and doing all of those things, my skin doesn't feel dehydrated by the end of it. Even though, like I said, I could be in the sun, I could be in the AC, and I could be sweating, but still I feel like my skin is kind of being protected and it has the moisture that it needs and it doesn't feel dehydrated. And honestly, I love the fact that it comes in a dropper, so it's also very easy and convenient to take with me, because sometimes I like doing my skin prep like at the gym and not at home, like if I'm running late or whatever. So I literally throw this in my gym bag as well. So it's kind of really convenient to use this, and I feel like it has solved a very big skin concern of mine, especially when I'm working out, because like I said, I really want to prioritize my mental and physical health in this year, and knowing that my skin is taken care of while I'm working out is a huge kind of in my mind. So after I'm done with my skin prep, I like play some really nice, like exciting music. I listen to really inspirational quotes from strong, amazing women, just to kind of put me in the zone to work out and, you know, sweat and be like, yes, queen, get on with your day. You're going to be amazing. Like, you know, just get into that mindset. And then I just like going and getting a good nice sweat and workout. Also, like I believe the small 15 ml one is for $4.99 and the 30 ml one is for $9.99. And if you just want to try it out and see if it works for you, which I'm pretty sure it will. So you can try out the smaller version for yourself, just to see if it works out, and let me know if you guys have tried this before, especially before you are about to do some really heavy physical activity, because I've found that this is the best way that I like using this product. So that's kind of my pre-workout skincare routine. So yes, that is it for today. Like I said, let me know if you guys want a workout routine. Honestly, I'm not like some gym instructor or something like that. मैं बस वही करती हूँ जो मुझे पता है, जो मुझे चाहिए, and that I know. I'm not like really into too much of like antics. But if you want to see what I do, then I'll share it with you guys. I'll shoot it soon. So let me know. And yeah, that is it for today. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.